Did you know that your armpits have more sweat glands per square inch than any other part of your body? That's why they're often the first to feel sweaty when you're nervous or hot. Excessive sweating under the arms is a super common issue that many people face, and it's something that can be really frustrating to deal with. Sweating is a natural response that helps our bodies regulate temperature and get rid of toxins. Everyone sweats, but the amount we sweat can vary from person to person. Some people might sweat more due to their genetic makeup, while others might sweat less. Genetics play a big role in how much we sweat under our arms. If your parents sweat a lot, chances are you might too. Hormonal changes can also affect our sweat glands, causing them to go into overdrive. Environmental factors like heat and humidity can make things worse, making us sweat even more. Stress and anxiety can trigger our sweat glands, releasing more sweat than usual. Certain medical conditions, like hyperhidrosis, can cause excessive sweating under the arms, and in some cases, it can be a side effect of medication. Excessive sweating can have a big impact on our daily lives. It can lead to social anxiety, making us feel self-conscious about raising our arms or wearing certain clothes. It can also limit our lifestyle, making us avoid certain activities or situations where we might feel embarrassed about sweating. There are treatments available, like antiperspirant, Botox, and even surgery that can help reduce sweating. People who experience excessive sweating often find it affects their confidence and self-esteem. They might avoid social situations or feel anxious about meeting new people. Treatment options can help alleviate some of these issues, but it's essential to find what works best for each individual. Dermatologists often recommend a combination of treatments to manage excessive sweating. As one dermatologist notes, it's crucial to address the underlying causes of sweating to find the most effective solution. In summary, understanding underarm sweating and the options available for those affected is crucial. It's not just about using antiperspirant, it's about finding the right combination of treatments that work for you. If you've experienced excessive sweating under your arms, share your story with us in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about managing sweat, check out our next video on sweat management tips.